This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your primary mouse button in openSUSE Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button in SUSE Linux, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to that little gear wheel right there. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. That will open up Settings. Now the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see Mouse and Touchpad, and click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on the center pane, right up top here, right under General, Primary Button. By default, it's probably set to the left, but you can change it to the right by clicking on Right, or you can change it back to the left by clicking on Left. That is how you change your primary mouse button in SUSE Linux. Thanks for watching.